sheep, baby, cat, goat.
Right.
Here's the first one.
That is a baby.
So you say that's a baby.
Yeah, he's.
Okay, we're gonna keep rolling. You guys just guess along, see what you think. That
It's a goat.
is a goat.
It's a baby goat. Oh, I thought it was. Okay.
What's he doing?
I don't know. I
right,
thought
here's
it
the
was
next
a
one.
baby. All right. That's a cat. Please let it be a cat.
So you say that's a cat?
I think it's a cat.
Okay, sheep, baby, cat, or goat.
It's a baby. Oh, that's cheating. They're jiggling its little belly. Okay.
Next.
Okay. I think that's a baby.
You're going with baby
I'm
on
going
that
with baby. What is it? I think they're all. It is a baby. It's a baby making rude noises.
Raspberry baby.
Yeah. I'm trying to hear if that's going ba or ah. Do it again.
No, I'm not doing it again.
Okay. It is a sheep.
That's what it is. It's a sheep.
But I'm telling you.
I'm just letting them play. You only got 3 seconds to guess now.
All right. That's a cat. That's a cat eating, I think. Okay. It is a cat.
That's a cat being scratched. See?
Oh, he's like, oh, that feels so good. Okay. That's a strange noise, but I think I might have seen that on the internet. Okay.
So just to explain it, that was a guy interacting with whatever it is.
Oh, okay. I guess a baby.
Occasionally you hear adult voices. And
Yeah, so that threw me off. But I'm going to say baby. Since we're moving forward. What is it? It's a goat. Oh, he was encouraging the goat to speak. I see. That's a cat. Cat. I vote cat.
sheep, baby, cat, goat.
I don't really know. Oh.
That's the sweetest little angel baby.
What is she snoring?
Yep.
Aww. That's so cute. That's one content little baby. That's a trick one, but I'm going to say cat. It sounds like a cat. It is a cat.
Next.
Okay. A cat again? There's a cat that's actually saying words.
Okay. What is it?
It's a baby. What is it? It's a goat.
It's a sheep.
Oh, is that a sheep? I thought it was a goat. It's a sheep.
What's that one? Sheep, baby, cat, goat.
I think that's a sheep right before it becomes veal.
It's a goat.
Goat. I think sheep and goat are too close.
If you get an animal, that's close
Okay,
enough.
all
One
right.
more, all right? This is the last one. We'll
All
quit.
right.
I got more, but we're going to quit with this last one.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
We're almost done. Just a little bit more.
Cat. It's a talking cat. No more.
We're almost done.
Aww.
Just a little bit more.
No more. That is a brilliant cat.
It is a talking cat. That's actually a really long clip, and it says it over and over again. No more. No more.
Sailor wants in on the action. Thank you so much for playing that game with us.
All right.
I don't know.
Sheep, baby, cat, goat. Come in. It'll come back around because I got more.